welcome. My first unboxing, my first review ever. So if you like it, leave a like, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these shoes. This is the OffWhite Air Jordan 5 that I'm gonna unbox it for you on camera. Gonna talk about it a little bit, do it on feet and style a little bit. So let's get into it. I'm actually really excited for these. This is my first hype sneaker that I've ever gotten. So I'm excited to see what they look like. Honestly. Got the Jumpman on the front. This is right from Nike themselves. I got the Nike tape right here. You don't see this? I can't see you guys, but can you see this? Alright, let's get these out of here. Hey, these on the exclusive access they had, I think it was last week. And they just came in today, so I was like, let me do a video. First, let's look at the box though. Wow. Got these like perforations, but the holes they're not like you can't put your finger through them like the ones on the sides. Like these are like plastic on the top. Yo, in here they are. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't mean to curse, but like it's my first time. These are nice in person, let me tell you. Photos don't do a thing justice at all. These things are nice in person, I'm telling you.
Flip the pain, strip it and dip it in base, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win.
I don't got a turntable or anything like that, but like, I'm gonna show you the shoes over here. So what you got over here is the Jumpman on the front. And the reflective material on here. The tongue's thinner than the other Jordan 5 tongues that I've seen before. And it's, of course, the off-white raw edges are exposed. So yeah. There's also the, everything's underneath this ripstop kind of paneling, where it's like the 23 stitch underneath here, so you can't really feel it. Also on the back too, a stitch underneath the paneling. The classic off-white signature paragraph on the inside of the shoe. It comes with red laces, black laces, and sail laces. The outsole is translucent with the black, and then piss yellow with the translucent part where it'd be normally on a normal Jordan 5. And just get you a good look at these right in front. This thing is nice. Like I wasn't expecting to get these at all. I was kind of lucky to get these.
I'm on 10 again. Yeah, state your name. Big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Strip it and dip it in bait.
These came out this morning, I believe. The 29th is today. I was gonna try to go for another pair, but like I slept in. So, but you got the signature off-white over here. The little paragraph they got Beaverton, Oregon. The 23 is underneath the, I don't know what to call this, ripstop maybe? I saw it on a Seth Fowler shoe. They called it ripstop, so I think it's like the same material they got right here. But they got the Nike Air underneath the ripstop as well. Like it's all underneath this panel. I thought it's really cool. And of course you got the aged soles, pissed yellow. And the cutouts are just strange. These shoes come with white laces, black laces, and red laces, all with the off-white branding on them. Jeez. Jeez, that's all I gotta say, jeez. I want to get the black pair, but I was not lucky enough to get them, and I don't pay resale for shoes that much, but I felt lucky to get these, very, very lucky to get these. Here we got the two boxes side by side. Only main difference I'd say is the label is placed and then the holes, obviously. Getting these two side by side, there's not too much of a difference between them, except for the obvious, aging of the eyelets and the netting on both the tongue and the medial and lateral sides. The outsoles, well, excuse my dirty pair, they're used, but one of them is aged a lot more than the other one. Jumpman still on the bottom, Nike print still there. So the black is translucent now on the new pair. Reflected tongue is thinner than it was on the original pair. And I don't know what to call this thing, a lace lock? I think that's what it's called, yeah. Is also of a more aged rubber than it's on the older pair. This is like more reflective, I think, than this one is. Like the one, the older pair is more reflective than the off-white pair, which is kind of interesting. I apologize. I actually had to go do things today. I forgot I had to do those things, so I had to leave the shoes here, but I'm back now. And actually, I already shot the on feet and the styling of the shoe already, so I'm gonna talk for like a couple seconds and I'll show you those two clips. But yeah, the upper is a lot thinner than a normal Jordan 5. And I like that a lot better. Like just the way that it fits with pants. It looks a lot sleeker, a lot more streamlined. And I like that about the shoe a lot more than the regular 5s. But I'm gonna keep these, I think. Like I can't get these up anymore. I was thinking about selling them because they're going for good prices right now, but I was like, I already cut the tags. Let me just put it on and keep it. But yeah, the one thing I noticed that the laces are a different color than the upper, if you can see. They're like a more darker beige than the rest of the shoe is. But it's not a big deal, but like it's noticeable when you're looking at it up close. I think what they did with these bottoms is like a lot cooler, so I don't have to get like a sole shoe for these. Like they're already like uniced. Like, I wonder if someone could like unice these. That'd be kind of cool to see, but that's not gonna be me. But yeah, here's the on feet and styling videos for you, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna close the video off.
Ay, coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, yeah, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell it, most of y'all is flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass if she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, did it like the Porsches. Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, okay, alright, coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10, 10, 10, yeah.
For this outfit, I decided to wear H&M sweatpants, a turtleneck from H&M as well, and a Champion bag. For this, I'm wearing Tilly's cargo pants, Odell Beckham Jr. jersey, and a Champion sweatshirt. Prayers up for Odell. I know he doesn't play for the Giants anymore, but he's still a great player. I feel like all black looks really good with any kind of shoe, and especially with this one. This is my favorite fit, and in this I'm wearing Paxton jeans and a Kyrie hoodie. I'll be rocking this one the most, I think. Just the age look of the shoes with the yellow of the hoodie matches so well, and the light color of the jeans just makes everything pop more. In this last one, I'm wearing Old Navy shorts and an Old Navy jacket, and a Takashi Murakami x Billie Eilish shirt from Uniqlo. I like the matching beige colors as well as how it blended in with the shoe. I was trying to do something new that I haven't done before, and I think I got that with this outfit. If you got this far in the video, thank you for watching. Honestly, I didn't think you'd get this far. But in all seriousness, this shoe is really, really nice. Like, out of 10, I'm gonna give it like an 8.5. Only because it's not like an OG colorway. OG colorways give like a 10, 9.5, but this is a very, very solid shoe. And if you have a chance to get it, I definitely get it. Like, it's more comfortable than Jordan 5. Like, when I had it on feet, it was like more cushioned, if that makes any sense. And like more breathable than a normal Jordan 5 was. But in all, like, I'm pretty excited for this shoe. Let me know if you copy it down below in the comments, and thanks for watching. Follow for more.